Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how to create a WhatsApp channel on this particular YouTube video. You guys just to subscribe and like and share this video. Okay, just if you're a new member here, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel like this, then make sure you click on this all, so that click on all, so that whenever any video on how to make money online, a content like this, you'll be the first person to get notification to your email. Try to subscribe and like and share. I'll show you step by step on how to create a WhatsApp channel. Okay, let me just go ahead to my WhatsApp to show you guys on how to do it step by step. All right, this is my WhatsApp. All right, so let me show you right now on how to create a WhatsApp channel on your phone using your mobile browser. So this is how to do it. So on your WhatsApp, you can see something like this one. This one is community, this one is chat, this one is update, this one is call. All right, this one is for community. The first one is for community, why this one is for chat, why the second one is for updates. Before is status, but now they have updated to what? To update. Okay, so click on it. When you click on it, you can be seeing your update here. So there, before you can be scrolling down your update, but now you can be swiping it like this to your right to be checking all your status, all your friends status, or whatever. All right, so that is how they have changed. And if you want to update, if you want to upload your own status, just click on the plus sign to do your own. All right, so I'm not going to that area right now. So the thing I want to go for right now is to just click on this. If you want to create your own channel, just come to this area, click on plus sign. When you click on plus, you can see if you want to find a channel, you can click on find channel. But I want to create a channel, my own new channel, my own new WhatsApp channel right now on this particular video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and share if you are getting value from this video. Okay, so just click on this create a channel. When you click on it, you can see you have to just click on this continue wherever, create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. Channel are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history. Can you see 30 days of history on the channel? Wow, this is cool. Can you see people on your channel, not you? Okay, so people see your channel, not you. Your phone number, profile and name are not shown to followers. You're responsible. Can you see you are responsible for your channel? Your channel needs to follow our guideline and review against them. So let me just click on this continue right now. Make sure you watch. Can you see I want to name my channel? All right, and what I want to go, so let me just go and pick the name I want to name for my channel. All right, the name I want to give my channel right now is to name it like, let me just paste the name. So I want to be updating anything like crypto, whatever, crypto wave explorer. That is what I want to go for on the channel. And let me just go and copy my description. All right, right, I want to put my description. All right, so let me just paste it. This is my description. Can you see deep into crypto world, cryptocurrency with us. So that is what I want to be doing on my channel. I want to post teaching people on how to make money in crypto, whatever. That's, and and then the next step is to just go to Canva to create find something like, let me just show you my Canva design. This is my Canva design. You can design something like this. So let me just even try to update. Can you see I've already downloaded it on my phone? So let me do, this is my own design. I want to give my picture. I want to give my channel. Okay, let me just go ahead and put it. So right now I want to upload the picture right away. I'll just click on this area to upload the picture. I'll just click on gallery. I will just tick the picture. All right, this is the picture I want to give my channel. Very unique, very attractive. All right, you see this is a wonderful picture I want to give my channel. I will now click on this create a channel right away. You can see when I click on this create a channel, wow, it's creating right now, right away. Wow, wonderful. My channel has been created. All right, so you can start sharing your channel to your people, all right, your followers on social media to join your channel and start making a lot of money. I can post right now on my channel. all right, to show my people let me just post something, or let me just try to post something on my channel right now. Can you see this is can you see best crypto exchange? So I've already posted right now. So let me just, if you want to copy your China link, I'll just click on this China link. All right, I'll just click on this copy. I will now send it to all my social media followers to start joining me right now on my channel. Let me just post on my WhatsApp group. All right, I want to post right now to my WhatsApp groups. If you want to trade, if you want to learn how to trade spot and future and get daily signal to make over $200 a day, kindly subscribe to my WhatsApp channel below. I'll just paste the link right now here, and people will start joining my channel. From there, you can see, can you see this is my channel? All right. Wow, can you see this is how to just share? You can share it to your people on social media, on Instagram. All right, and you see, then share it to your Facebook friends, and everybody will start joining you. All right, so this is how to just create a WhatsApp channel. Make sure you guys give me a like, subscribe, share this video to your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Bye for now, guys.